You do not want to be catering live streams towards guys who are thrill seekers looking for women. And please listen to me on that. And the reason being is what I came to the conclusion of. They started creating content for these thrill seeker type people. Because of that, I've seen these channels, they've grown. Some of them hit even over 100,000, yet they were struggling. And so then they'll be on the live streams. Guys, come on, guys, I'm doing all this for you. You need to donate, guys. You need to do this. You need to do this. You cannot give them any extra value on top of what you're giving them because you're dumbing down your creativity by providing that quick fix to that simple group of people. And why I say simple group of people is no one can market to them. When you're creating content that's sexually explicit or very sexually provocative, or if it's just women on the beach, things like that in bikinis, like who can market to that? Really think about it. If you had a business, would you want your advertisements being surrounded with that? And you have to look at it from that perspective because you're an independent content creator. Like you're not a YouTuber, you're not a TikToker.